15 minutes, that is all it takes to break the myth of stock market inside you, and you are on your way to create wealth. Are you ready? Are you excited to do that? Hi, hello, this is Ganesan, your millionaire coach and author of the book Money Leaks. I help you in creating wealth by investing in stock market. So, 15 minutes, it's all it takes, because I understood this in the last almost 7 months of doing this consistent webinars on stock market success formula. And what happens is that initially, after my introduction, I say that I ask about I post a poll like, are you interested and excited to invest in stock market? Are you afraid of stock market? Basically, the first question is, are you afraid? Almost 50% will say that confused and afraid, because there are people who are retired, who are in 40s, who are in college going students, and they say that they are confused, they are afraid. 50% will come in that ratio. And in the next 15 minutes, 1 5, mind you, 1 5 minutes, I just say that what are the top three myths. And it's all about gambling. People believe that it's a gambling thing, and people believe that it's a trust factor. There is no trust factor in stock market, and because no one I able to interact. And the third point is, it's all about gambling, trust, and risk factor. People think that it's a risky affair. So these are the top three things people used to say. And first, let me say about gambling. This stock market is there from 1875 as an exchange. Indian Stock Exchange, Bombay Stock Exchange is there. And right from the time people started trading, I'm saying yesterday years, BCs, and all these ADs and all these period, uh, people give wheat and they get rice, or people give gold, they get something. So this is how it worked. And it transformed and it became a stock market exchange where business are being traded and electronically it become, right. So that is that, as simple as that. So stock market is not something new, it's not difficult to understand, but once you need to understand how it works, it will easily be possible for you to invest in stock market. And the second thing is trust factor. The number one thing how you get interacted with stock market is going to a broker or demat person and telling that I need a demat account, I need to get it open. How to do that? And he will say some stocks, and you will also ask him to provide some stock suggestions. He will say some stocks, and in a span of time, automatically the stock will go up or down, and if you miss it out, automatically the stock will crash, and your trust factor will go down, because stock market is always like this. The people will cheat you, and the only interaction you had with in stock market is with the person who suggested you the stock. And there are n number of stocks. If your stock is going down, there are n number of stocks which is going to grow up, which are really good. The choice of stock is really matters. More than stock, it's a business, right? So it's not the trust factor. The person who is interacting with you, you need to choose the right person. And it can happen in any business or any pattern, anything in life, right? If you want to build a house, you should choose a right person, or else he will not help in building a dream home for you, right? And finally, the risk factor. People think it's a risky thing. Every asset class has risk. Just think about physical asset like real estate, because people believe that everything, the emotional connect with real estate is used. I need to have at least a 1 bhk home or small home, at least in a distant place from the city, right? But the point is, at you might get cheated, and people will force the documents, and you will not be able to pay the emis. N number of issues will come in all the time, all those things. The risk factor is there in that. But in stock market, if you're choosing the right stock, if you're able to understand the business, allocate some time to understand, and if you're able to find that in a span of 2 to 5 years, 3 to 5 years, automatically you will be ending up on a huge asset base which you wouldn't have dreamed of. And it all depends upon consistently choosing the right quality stock and sticking with it. All it needs is a time to read, time to understand, time to get allocate time to for that. Once you do that, automatically you will create wealth. So it's a gambling thing, it's not gambling. It all depends upon the perception. And finally, the second point is gambling, the risk factor, and the trust factor. Everything is a myth. And that's how I take it through in the first 15 minutes. At the end of the 15 minutes, I will ask a post a question like, are you excited to invest in stock market? The next best question, the result will be almost now 90% of the people will say, yes, I'm excited to invest in stock market. So it's a surprise for me, because within 15 minutes, people are able to change their perception, just because they are receiving something from a most correct person, and they are able to identify that's true. from this point they haven't listened to it, right? Stock market, when it comes to stock market, they always have the bias like how it works, and if I lose money, what if I lose my retirement money, what if I lose my hard earned income? That is what will come to their mind. But what if it happens on the other side, if it works good? And this is the reality. If you understand the reality, automatically you will believe it, you will break the myth. So all it takes is 15 minutes. If you want to break your myth, if you want to join my stock market webinar, check out the description section where you will be available with a stock market webinar link. You can join in, and also you can join my private Facebook group where I share lots of stuff about stock market, mutual funds, and all other things. Thank you so much for joining in today. Please click the like button and subscribe to my videos so that I keep posting interesting content on a daily basis. Thank you so much for joining in today.